Who has never thought at least once of being able to turn off the sun with a bucket of water? But is it really possible? Well, the short answer is obviously no, but we are scientists, you know, so let's take a closer look. While this concept resides firmly in the realm of science fiction and is undoubtedly impossible with our current technology, exploring its hypothetical consequences can serve as an intriguing exercise to better grasp the significance of our closest stellar neighbor and the intricate balance of the cosmos. Before delving into the speculative consequences of extinguishing the sun, it is crucial to understand the pivotal role our star plays in the solar system. The sun, a massive ball of hydrogen and helium gas, sustains life on Earth by emitting energy through nuclear fusion at its core. This energy is radiated as light and heat, driving the Earth's climate, weather patterns, and photosynthesis, which is the basis of life's food chain. The sun's gravitational pull also keeps celestial bodies, including planets, comets, and asteroids, in their stable orbits around it. Now going into the core of this video, let's see what would actually happen. If we were to somehow introduce a massive amount of water to the sun, it would be an utterly futile attempt to turn off the star. Instead of extinguishing it, the water would immediately vaporize due to the sun's extreme temperatures and intense radiation. This would lead to a sudden increase in solar energy output, but once the water is exhausted, the sun would continue its fusion process as before. If we were to somehow introduce water to the sun, the intense heat and radiation of the sun would immediately break down the water molecules, H2O, into its constituent elements, hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O. The extreme temperatures of the sun's core, around 15 million degrees Celsius, would cause the water molecules to dissociate into individual atoms. The hydrogen atoms would likely be stripped of their electrons due to the high-energy environment, and the sun's intense gravity would prevent the hydrogen and oxygen from escaping. However, this process of dissociation wouldn't turn off the sun or extinguish its nuclear fusion, but rather lead to a temporary increase in solar energy output as the hydrogen and oxygen would fuel the fusion reactions for a brief moment. Furthermore, the sun's mass is an essential factor in maintaining the balance between gravitational forces and the outward pressure from nuclear fusion. Any attempt to alter the sun's mass, such as by adding water, could upset this equilibrium. The consequences of such an action are difficult to predict, but it's highly likely that this would lead to significant disturbances in the solar system, affecting the orbits of planets and potentially causing catastrophic events. Impact on Earth. If the sun's energy output were somehow disrupted or diminished, the consequences for Earth would be disastrous. The sudden reduction in solar radiation would cause a rapid drop in temperature, leading to a global cooling event or even an ice age. This change would disrupt ecosystems, cause crop failures, and threaten the survival of countless species, including humans. Gravitational effects. The sun's immense gravity keeps all the planets in our solar system in stable orbits. Disrupting the sun's mass by introducing water would create gravitational ripples, potentially causing shifts in the orbits of planets. This disturbance could lead to collisions between celestial bodies, posing further threats to life on Earth. Long-term impact. Even if we consider the hypothetical scenario where the sun could be extinguished over an extended period, rather than instantaneously, the long-term effects would still be catastrophic. The lack of solar radiation would make life on Earth unsustainable, and our planet would eventually become a frozen, lifeless sphere drifting in the darkness of space. So, while the idea may spark curiosity and intrigue, it is essential to recognize the sheer impossibility and the dire consequences that such an action would bring. Let's leave the turning off of the sun to the realm of imagination and appreciate the crucial role our star plays in making life possible on Earth. So don't do it. And that's a wrap on this epic journey. If you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it, don't forget to smash that like button, it really helps the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future thrilling adventures together. We have so much more excitement, knowledge, and mind-blowing content coming your way. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let me know your favorite part of this video or any cool ideas you have for future content. Your feedback fuels my passion for creating more awesome videos.